Hey, in this video I will show you one of the efficient ways of solving this Leetcode problem. Okay, let's look at the description. It says that we are given two already sorted lists and our task is to merge them together into one sorted list. At the end of the function we have to return the head of the list, and here is how it looks visually. There are two ways of solving this problem. One way would be to first merge the lists together and then sort that list with the merge sort. I actually first tried to do this way, and that's the result I've got. As you can see, this approach is unfortunately not the optimal one. So, take a look at how we could make a faster algorithm. We start off with comparing those two nodes, and we look for the smallest out of them. In this case, they both are the same. So let's pick the first one. We increment the head of the first list, so it points to this node. Now we compare these two nodes. Again, which one is smaller? The node of the second list. So we increment again. We repeat that until one or both of the lists are pointing to null. The last thing is to point the head of the list to the remaining nodes. Now let's dive into the code. If one of the lists is blank, we have to handle it appropriately. Next we check that our list node is smaller. Then we point the merged list's head to the node and increment the list. We save the head of the list here, so we can return it later. Below we loop until one of the lists points to null. In the loop we check the same as above, but this time the merged list's next node will point to one of the lists. We don't forget to increment the list. Outside we check which of the lists has remaining nodes. If we find one, we then point the list's next node to the remaining list. Lastly, we return the head of the merged list. That's it, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below if you have a question, I will answer it.